Hi, my name is Fabrizia. I am a full-time DJ in London, almost 20 years now. I am here with my Ridgeback with my Swytch kit. I had 3 electric bikes stolen, and this bike is special to me. This was the perfect solution because it makes my electric bike invisible. I can just cycle smoothly, it's light, my work is going to DJ. I usually have to show up completely with my makeup done, in my high heels, like ready for the performance. I'm not worried if I'm gonna be late, I'm not worried if I'm gonna be tired. So this is the pedal assist system. You have this magnetic disc that tells the sensor the speed, and as you can see, when you move, the sensor switches on and it tells the battery how much power it needs to bring to the motor. You have the charge of the battery and then you can change the speed setting. Wow, this is exciting! This is exactly what I need. That's a nice piece of kit. The power kicks in so much faster. I can't wait to have this one.